tire irons and a little mallet. We may not use the mallet, we'll see how it goes. But first thing you need to do is wet the tire really good with soapy water or some sort of lubricating liquid. And for the first part, you can just be a BA and slam your weight down into it like this. That almost did it, but we can finish it off with this guy. Maybe. There we go. So that's half of the tire on. And then the other half again, make sure you got your lube. Get it real wet. Find where your weight or your valve stem is and start there, because you don't want that to fight you when you're starting to take it or put it back on. So we start there, and we push this down with our knees, like that, and make sure that it stays that way, going all the way around. And you don't have to be super savvy at this. This is about my third or fourth time installing one like this. And you don't want this to happen because you're pushing up against the tire there. So you really want to make sure you're under the seal there. And right there, it looks like I'm coming up a little bit, so I'm gonna have to struggle to maintain it down by putting a lot of pressure on this part over here. Oh. And that's to maintain the pressure so that the center of the tire goes where it's supposed to go. All right, so I think we're almost there. There we go. And sometimes it'll be harder than it looks, because that looks pretty easy. But when you start to do it, sometimes the tire will fight you back. But once you get a hang of this type of stuff, you don't need a mobile tire changing tool like the tool. You don't need that. You need some knowledge, you need some tools, and maybe a bead plaster or two can help. So you don't need to have a mobile tire changer to do mobile tire changes. You just need to have a little bit of knowledge, and these two will make you do it.